Ito ang saya ng birthday ni Ivy at Iris. Oh. Si Ma, si Uno, LJ. Oh. Oh. Nag-iyaw-iyaw sila. Oh. Te, miss ka na namin, te. Tita Yet. Oh. Mga bisita ni Iris.
Every single day you always act this way. For how many times I told
Marmy.
you
Hindi, ano, isasend ko sa kanya.
but this is all I know.
Ayun sila, Ate Tess.
Come to me and hold me, and you will see the love I give for you still the truth. Every single day you always act this way. For how many times I told you
Ayun na, yung apo mo.
this is all I know.
Ayun. Kakasaya nung birthday ni Ivy sa ni Iris. Umiiyak ka si Iris, te. Ay, si Ivy. Namimiss ka na daw nila.